I purchased this YICOE softbox lighting kit. As you can see, I have this little studio setup right here. I am a working actor and I primarily use these 2-tape auditions. It's continuous light. There is a little on-off switch right there. And what I really love about it is I can change the temperature of the light right here with these gauges, or just make it an automatic change. So it got warm right now, change it to cold or white. I can also drop the power, so we can go down to 20% light, 50%, and 100%. So it's great to have a little bit of control with that. It's worked great for me for the purposes of taping auditions. It is a little light and flimsy, so I probably wouldn't recommend taking it out in the field, taking it apart consistently and putting it back together. It might fall apart if you do that. But yeah, for the purposes of having a little at-home studio, it has worked great.